High-intensity running is actually one of the slowest ways to lose stubborn belly fat. I'm going to give you a simple fat loss walking system with 4 easy tricks. And the last one is the most important. Without it, the whole system stops working. Here's the truth. Harder is not always better. When you do intense cardio like running, your body releases cortisol, a stress hormone. A little is fine, but when you constantly push hard, cortisol stays high. And cortisol tells your body to hold onto belly fat for survival. So you're trying to burn fat, while your hormones are trying to store it. But if running locks fat storage, why does walking help? First, let's clear up a huge myth. No exercise can burn only belly fat. Spot reduction is fake. Body fat works like a swimming pool. The shallow end empties first, face, arms, chest. The deep end, your belly, empties last. But these walking methods can drain the pool much faster than running, without stressing your body. So how do you start? Secret number 1, the glucose sponge. Most people eat a big meal and immediately sit down. Blood sugar spikes, insulin rises, and your body stores more fat. The fix: walk for 10 minutes right after your biggest meal. Your leg muscles soak up glucose like a sponge before it gets stored as fat. You're basically stopping fat storage before it starts. But what about stubborn fat you've carried for years? Secret number 2, weighted walking. Running makes your body rely more on quick energy. Normal walking burns fat slowly. So here's the trick. Take a backpack and put 5 to 7 kilograms of books inside. Wear it while walking or doing chores. Your body suddenly thinks it's heavier, so it burns more stored energy to move. You turn an easy walk into a serious calorie burn, without stressing your joints. Secret number 3, incline walking. People think sweating means fat loss. It doesn't. Fat actually leaves your body through breathing, as carbon dioxide. To burn more fat, activate your biggest muscles. Set a treadmill incline to 8–10%. Don't run, just walk uphill. This activates large muscle groups that demand more fuel, meaning more fat burned. You can burn almost twice the calories of normal walking, with less knee stress. But after a few weeks, your body adapts. That's why you need the final secret. Before that, reality check. If you eat thousands of extra calories every day, no amount of walking will save you. You can't outwalk a bad diet. Walking helps turn your body into a fat-burning machine. But your fork still controls the results. Now the final trick. Secret number 4, speed switching. If you always walk at the same speed, your body becomes efficient and burns less. So confuse it. Walk normally for 3 minutes. Then fast walk for 1 minute like you're late for a flight. Repeat. This forces your metabolism to work harder and burn deeper stored fat. Simple plan. 10 minutes walking after lunch. 10 minutes incline walking. 10 minutes weighted or speed switch walking after dinner. Just 30 minutes total. Easy on your body. Easy to recover from, but extremely effective for fat loss. And remember, fat loss doesn't mean eating plain chicken and starving every night. If you understand calories correctly, you can still enjoy pizza, burgers, and your favorite foods while staying in a fat loss deficit.